Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for Serengetee, which is spelled S-E-R-E-N-G-E. And my package looks like this, and as some of you guys know, I am a Serengetee representative for my college campus, so I got to order some things and I'm really excited to open this in front of you guys. And if you have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Catherine Christian, and I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here, and let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so let's open it up. I don't even know how much of this. Let's see. Oh goodness. So the first thing I'm about to pull up, right? Right on top. Boom, there we go. It is the 2018 Reps t-shirt that I got with the Reps package. On the back it says, "We're the World, Los Angeles," because that's where it's based, in Serengetee with the logo. And then on the front it has a pocket that says 2018 Reps. So I'm very excited. I got this in a medium because, if I'm correct, it's probably 100% cotton, so I'll probably shrink in the dryer because our dryers make sure things shrink. Ooh, hello. I have a few things. So it has a thing that says, "Our story and who we help. Founded on a ship, Serengetee makes items using fabric from around the world. When you wear a Serengetee, you're supporting artisans and grassroots causes in over 30 countries." We're the world. That's cool. So I got the rep pack. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. We have "Let's Connect, Join Movement," follow us on social media. It's basically a picture, and then I'll probably hand this out. You can get 20% off with code CChristian20. So if you want to use the code, make sure you use it. I will be handing these out to a lot of people around campus. So I have this. I have a lot of these. Oh my goodness. Then there's a cute little phone thing that says, "Let's trend hashtag We're the World," and on the back it says, "Let's make hashtag We're the World a trending tag." So whenever you take a picture with your Serengetee gear, or like when you're traveling, use the hashtag We're the World and make sure to tag them using @Serengetee. And I'll have all users and socials linked down below. Ooh! We have a sticker that says "Travel More," and then a sticker that says "We're the World." So that's pretty chill. Oh, we have some more stickers. This one's pretty cool. It's mountains and it says Serengetee. Hopefully that's focus. And then we also have one that says "Travel More," and it's kind of in their original print with the pineapple logo. Then we got another sticker that is the elephant. And then I also have a whole bunch of little cards that I will probably be passing out to people on campus. You get 20% off, again, using my code CChristian20. And that's all that comes in the rep pack. And I don't get anything from using my code, I just give you guys your 20% off, so that's pretty chill that you guys get 20% off. You're welcome. You know, your girl's helping you. The next thing I am pulling out is, oh, awesome. This is the beanie for Serengetee that I ordered. Hopefully it looks cute. How do I look? Oh, that's cute! That's cute! Makes my head warm because it snowed today a lot. I like it. I really like it. Yay. I'm gonna leave it on because then my hair will look like awful when I take it off. And then the last thing I ordered, you can pick out your pocket on what kind of shirt you want. So I wanted a baseball tee, and then I picked the Salvador pocket, which looks like this. So it's on a baseball tee, and it's super cute, and I like it. This pocket, the fabric is from Brazil, and I'm going to Brazil, so fun to wear in Brazil. It needs to shrink a little bit, but it's awesome. That is it for this video. So did you like this haul video? If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are going to buy something from Serengetee and what you're going to buy. And make sure if you buy something from Serengetee to use the code CChristian20 to get 20% off your entire purchase. And also when you get your Serengetee package, make sure to tag both Serengetee in the picture and myself in the picture. That is @CatherineChristian_ for Instagram. And then if you're tweeted, it's again @Serengetee, but for my Twitter it's @CatChristian6. And make sure to use the hashtag We're the World, because that is the hashtag for Serengetee. So if you want to see me posting all of my Serengetee stuff on social media, my Instagram is CatherineChristian_ and my Twitter is @CatChristian6. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!